Did you know that blood pressure can be measured accurately with just heart sounds? A recent study found a standard deviation of just 2.1 mmHg for systolic blood pressure. Most doctors mention this in passing, but it's a game changer for monitoring your health. As we age, our blood vessels become stiffer, which can impact blood pressure. This new method uses phonocardiogram signals to estimate blood pressure by analyzing the sounds your heart makes as it beats. This could make tracking your blood pressure more accessible and less invasive. This week, pay attention to how you feel after physical activity. Increased heart rate and changes in sound can indicate changes in your blood pressure. There's a reason the stiffness of blood vessels is what blood pressure supplements target. The link's in my bio if you want to check what I personally use.